You're a first receiver. You're the front line of the medical sort of attack system, if you will. We're not talking about fire people here. We're not talking about police people, if you will. We're talking about you.
This is my preparation, and I'm ready to respond.
One of the featured events here at the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles was the Disaster Olympics. It was a featured program of our disaster center, and it focused on the knowledge, skills, and expertise needed to survive in the day of a disaster.
The camaraderie and the team and some of the competitive nature of the event made it be a fun event for the staff to kind of go head to head with each other to try and come up with some of the best ideas and some of not so best ideas, but that way we can all learn together to figure out how to deal with a disaster ahead of time rather than being presented with those situations just in the middle of all the chaos.
The most catastrophic situation has to be challenged for us to think about it in preparation for such an event in the city of Los Angeles.
We're just a bunch of average Americans trying to do right by people and trying to make things happen in the appropriate way for our community. And that's the story that we want to tell, that emergency preparedness is not about a lot of fancy books, a lot of fancy tests, a lot of fancy classes. It's really about using creative thinking and energy, enthusiasm, hard work, teamwork that'll all make us survive some things that are probably unsurvivable.
This is my preparation, and I'm ready to respond.
This is my preparation, and I'm ready to respond.
This is my preparation, and I'm ready to respond.
This is my preparation, and I'm ready to respond.
This is my preparation, and I am ready to respond.
This is my preparation, and I'm ready to respond.
This is my preparation, and I'm ready to respond.